Grapefruit is an excellent natural fat burning. In addition to being rich in vitamins A, B, C, D, E, antioxidants and minerals, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, copper, iron, grapefruit is indeed a fat-burning food. Drinking its juice will have a draining effect and will facilitate the elimination of accumulated fat. The consumption of this fresh fruit is therefore recommended if you are looking to get rid of a few extra pounds. Its bitter and unpleasant taste for some people is due to its flavonoid content naringinin, an organic compound that, along with vitamin C, give grapefruit its slimming power. Potassium and the various enzymes contained in large quantities in grapefruit promote the burning of fat and help to lose weight quickly and well. Where and how does the fat-burning effect of grapefruit work? The naringinin contained in the fruit eliminates free radicals in the body and would even have a preventive effect on diabetes and overweight. It acts as an antioxidant by cleaning up excess glucose. Citrus fruit also acts as a natural appetite suppressant that gives the stomach a feeling of fullness, allowing you to eat less. This is due to its high content of natural vitamin C. The body, when it lacks vitamin C, claims more food. This same vitamin secretes a hormone that allows you to lose fat.